get a new one.
Fish poops in it. I might poop in it later. Depends on how it goes.
Never know. My tummy has been upset this morning.
I guess we're going to be buying you a bigger one too, huh?
Because she's got a fat butt.
She's cute.
Woo.
She's so cute.
Don't move. It's all yours.
Hey, took off his socks.
No way.
No way.
Are you sure? Because it kind of still looks like you got some on.
I'm gonna throw you in a minute.
Can I use your shoe for a couple?
Nope.
For a couple.
Did somebody pull this?
Huh? What are you talking about?
No, honey, nobody pulled it.
Natalie Page. That's woman, so it looks awful familiar. Where did you get that?
That is a cute pose.
My mama got it.
And where did your mama get it from?
Say the drawer.
Okay.
From the bag.
Can we be a little bit more sarcastic?
Came from Papa and Nana's house.
I think it needs to be
Is that a Wendy?
Yeah, it was Wendy's.
Cute.
Yeah, she came up to me and she goes, "Do you see my swimsuit?"
Yeah, that's what she told me too.
Yep.
Yeah, so she likes it.
It is pretty. Madison! There you are! Hi!
Tyler, that's enough.
What are you doing, fat baby?
She was talking to the baby, not you.
Hey, Andre, your toenail polish matches your flip-flops.
Sort of.
Sort of, kind of.
What is
Mama
it?
She got
splashed
splashed
her.
her.
Oh, that's the worst.
It is a little shocking when you first get in.
Don't you do it.
We have
Tyler!
this whole creek, and we're all like clustered together.
If you don't want me to sit by you,
No,
just tell
that's
me.
fine.
Like to tickle you.
Don't do that.
I'll go across there and sit.
Okay, that's enough, Natty. Come here, you.
Was too.
That's cool.
Right.
No.